Welcome back everyone. Today's recipe is delicious bhuna chicken the easy way. Ready to eat in just minutes. Let's start. Here I have 1 kilogram of chicken. I'm using just legs. You can use your choice of cut of the chicken. Now what we will do is score the chicken. This step helps reduce cooking time. Now that's done, we will set these aside and start cooking. Now to a pan, we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and 3 Kashmiri red chilies torn into 2 to 3 pieces. Next we will add the chicken to this. Give it a toss. Now add salt as per taste. Give it a mix and we will saute the chicken for say 2 minutes till it is seared from all sides and gets a golden color. Our 2 minutes are done. See, the chicken has taken on a nice golden hue. Now at this point we will add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we are gonna saute all this together for a couple of seconds till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Now that's done. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, now give this all a nice mix. So all those spices can nicely roast and coat the chicken. If you feel that the masala is sticking to the bottom of the pan, add a dash of water, just 3 to 4 tablespoons, so that it can deglaze the pan. See, by adding a little water, the masala is not sticking to the pan anymore. Now next we are gonna add 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Give it a mix and now we are gonna cook this till the onions are nicely roasted and the chicken is half done, say for 4 to 5 minutes. The chicken and onions have been cooking for 4 minutes now. See how well roasted and well incorporated everything is. At this point we will add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes. See, our chicken has been cooking for 2 minutes. Now we add juice of half a lemon. Give it a mix. See how beautifully our dish is coming along. It's already half done. Now we will add a little more water, just a dash. Give it one more mix. And now we are gonna cover the pan, turn the flame on low and let this cook for say about 7 to 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes are done. Let's have a look. Yes, our chicken is looking so good. It's so well cooked. Give it a mix. You can already see that the chicken has started to leave the bone. It's so juicy and tender. Now turn the flame on high and we will add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Give it a mix. And now we will bhuno the chicken or nicely roast it for 2 minutes, stirring continuously. Now I have been roasting the chicken for 2 minutes. See how nicely it's roasted and our chicken is also well cooked. Our bhuna chicken is ready to serve. Well, there you have it. Bhuna chicken. An easy, delicious recipe which you can cook it up in minutes. Enjoy it hot with some garlic butter naan or zeera rice with a cool glass of lassi on the side. If you like my recipe, please comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please do make it at home. Enjoy it with your family, friends and your loved ones. Until we meet again with another delicious recipe, this is Iram wishing you all a safe and fabulous day.